all new AM. Watch now on 3 and 3 now.
Yeah, so he's talking about the orientation of the cells. So Tesla cells are also upside down. We have a few here.
Yeah.
And the orientation.
They're cooled on
sides.
This one's cooled on the top, or the bottom. So they're basically upside down, which, I mean,
And you know, we're brought to you by our amazing Patreon.
Condo area around here. This is not along a major highway, a travel route. This is for urban dwellers and for garage orphans like myself who don't have the ability to charge at their condo. I bought my car about 4 years ago, a 2014 Model S, and I bought it without having charging at my condo. I figured that I'll just buy it and I'll figure it out. So I installed a charger at my office, which is about 40 miles away. So I've been basically living on supercharging during the entire COVID pandemic. So this is super awesome because this is